Hello, what's happening guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to add text or tiles in your video. So let's get started. I already added a sample video in my timeline. To add a text in this video, then simply click on this text icon. Then select tiles. After selecting tiles, you see there are lots of text and tiles templates are available here. Just hover over your mouse and move your mouse cursor. You will see the preview of these templates. In this lecture, I will add a sample text in our video. Suppose if you want to add this text, this 3D text, then simply drag this in timeline. After that, scratch this text left to right and I set it here. That's why our text will be visible in this full video clip. To change this text, simply double click on this to activate editing mode, or you just click on this inspector icon. Our inspector tab is now open. Now simply click on these lines icon. After that, change your text from here. I just remove this text and type GoPro demo video. Then to change this position, simply click on this circle and drag your text and set it whatever you want. I just set it here. To change this font style and use another one, simply click on this drop down menu and under 2D style and 3D styles you get lots of different type of fonts which are already built in Final Cut Pro X. You can use any of them. This time I choose the paper one and then I set it here. Fantastic. If I play on this, you will see we successfully add text in our whole video. Let's play this video a little bit. Very easy, right? In our next lecture, we will see how to add custom effects in our text. Thank you so much for watching.